Hi students, in this session we are going to see 7th standard mathematics chapter 7 algebraic expression topic value of an algebraic expression. In this chapter we are going to cover the topics are value of an algebraic expression and exercise 7.3. Let's see value of an algebraic expression. The value of an algebraic expression depends upon the value of the variable in it. The value of an expression can be obtained by substituting different values for the variable in it. Let's see example 12. Find the value of 2x plus 1 when first one x is equal to 1. Third one x is equal to minus 5. Here given one expression and also given x value. Now we have to substitute the x value and to find the answer. The first one when x is 1. Let's find the solution. The expression is 2x plus 1. Now substitute the x value and get the answer. X is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. We get 2 plus 1. We get the expression is 2 plus 1. So now we can add the values. We get 2 plus 1, 3. The answer is 3. Third one, when x is minus 5. Let us find the solution. The expression becomes 2x plus 1. Now substitute in x place minus 5. 2 into minus 5 plus 1. 2 into minus 5 we get minus 10 plus 1. We get minus 10 plus 1. Here different sign. Subtract and place the greater number sign. We get minus 9. The answer is minus 9. Let's see exercise 7.3. Second Roman, if x equal to 3, find the values of the following expressions. The first expression becomes x minus 7. Here given one expression and also given the x values. Now substitute the x value and find the answer. Let us find the solution. X equal to 3. The expression is x minus 7. Which is equal to x value 3. Substitute the x value. 3 minus 7. Here different sign. Different sign means subtract and place the greater number sign. 7 minus 3, 4. Here 7 is the greater number. That sign minus. So we get minus 4. The answer is minus 4. Third one, 5x by 9. Let us find the solution. X equal to 3. The expression becomes 5x by 9. Now substitute the x value. We get 5 into 3 by 9. Now cancel the common factor. Take 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. We get 5 into 1 by 3. So we get 5 ones are 5 by 3. The answer is 5 by 3. Let's see fifth one, x squared plus x minus 4. Let us find the solution. The expression becomes x squared plus x minus 4. X equal to 3. Now take the expression x squared plus x minus 4. Which is equal to, now substitute the x value in x place. So we get x squared means 3 square plus x means 3 minus 4. Here 3 square means 3 can be written as 2 times. 3 3s are 9 plus 3 minus 4. We get 9 plus 3 minus 4. Now 9 plus 3 we can add the values. We get 12 and take the third value minus 4. We get 12 minus 4. So we get 8. The answer is 8. Let's see third Roman. Find the value of 6x square plus 2x plus 1 when first one x equal to 1. Let us find the solution. The expression is 6x square plus 2x plus 1. Now substitute the x value in x place. 6 into 1 whole square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So we get 6 into 1 square means 1 can be written as 2 times 1 ones are 1. 6 into 1 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1. We get 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 plus 1. We get 6 plus 2 plus 1. Now add the values. We get 9. Answer is 9. Third one, x equal to 0. Let us find the solution. The expression is 6x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to x value is 0. Now substitute the x value in x place. We get 6 into 0 square plus 2 into 0 plus 1. So 0 square means 0. 6 into 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus 1. We get 6 into 0 plus 0 plus 1. So any number multiple with 0, we get the answer is 0. Plus 0 plus 1. We get the answer is 1. Answer is 1. Let's see fourth Roman. If x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2, find the values of the following expression. Third one, the expression becomes x square minus xy plus y square. Let us find the solution. Here given two variable value, that means x and y values here given. When x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Let's take the expression x square minus xy plus y square. Here given x and y value. Now we have to substitute the x value and find the answer, which is equal to x equal to minus 1. Now substitute the value minus 1 whole square minus x value minus 1 into y value minus 2 plus y square means minus 2 whole square. We get minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. So minus 1 whole square means minus 1 can be written as 2 times minus 1 into minus 1. We get plus 1 minus minus 1 into minus 2. We get plus 2 plus minus 2 whole square means minus 2 can be written as 2 times minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So we get 1 minus 2 plus 4. 1 minus 2 different sign. Different sign means subtract and replace the greater number sign. We get minus 1 and take third value 4. We get minus 1 plus 4. Here also different sign. We get 3. Answer is 3. Fifth one, write the formulas for each of the following. Use the first letter S of the word to denote the variables S. First one, the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 5 times the length of its side. Let us find the solution. Here given regular pentagon figure. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 5 times the length of its side. Let side equal to S. So each side S, 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 S. Perimeter of a pentagon equal to 5 times the length of its side. Therefore, perimeter P equal to 5 times the length of its side means 5S. So we get P equal to 5S. Second one, the selling price of an article is equal to the cost price of the article increased by the profit. Let us find the solution. Now we have to write the formula. Use the sentence. The selling price of an article is equal to the cost price of the article increased by the profit. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Therefore, short form of selling price equal to SP. Short form of cost price equal to CP. Profit short form P. So we get SP equal to CP plus P. See, fourth one. The area of a rectangle is the product of its base and altitude. Let us find the solution. Here given rectangle figure. So rectangle have base and altitude. Base means B, altitude means A. Area of a rectangle equal to base into altitude. So A equal to altitude, B equal to base, A equal to area. Therefore, the area of the rectangle equal to A equal to B into A. Therefore, A equal to BA. Question time. First one, the value of 2x plus 2 when x equal to 3 is dash. Here given one expression 2x plus 2 and also given x value. Now substitute the x value and find the answer. Option A 4, option B 8, option C minus 8. Answer option B 8. Second one, if m equal to minus 9, the value of 5m by 9 is dash. Option A minus 5, option B 5, option C 0. Answer A minus 5. Third one, if x equal to minus 15, then x square is dash. Option A 325, option B minus 225, option C 225. Answer C 225. Fourth one, if r equal to minus 3 and s equal to 2, the value of r plus 3s is dash. Option A minus 3, option B 3, option C 6. Answer B 3. Fifth one, the value of 4x square plus x plus 5 when x equal to 1 is dash. Option A 100, option B 0, option C 10. Answer C 10. Thank you, students.